Introducing the Service Board for After Sales by Web One-on-One. Deliver a smooth workshop experience for both your customers and your team with an easy-to-use view that enables you to manage all your workshop appointments and streamline in-service communication. Connect your existing workshop planning tools to automatically import scheduled appointments to the Service Board and get a quick snapshot of the day's work. By clicking on a customer card, your team gets access to all the relevant details for that vehicle as well as past records and conversations. From here, you can send appointment reminders and invite customers to check in from home for a faster drop-off experience. As you start working on vehicles, drag them along the board from in-service right through to ready for checkout to see how your workshop is progressing. If you need customer approval for a work order, the Service Board gives you the option to contact customers via SMS or WhatsApp for quick confirmation. And with 95% of WhatsApp messages opened within the first 3 minutes of being received, service reps can say goodbye to unanswered calls and hello to faster approval times. Once a car is ready to be checked out, drag it across the board to automatically notify customers that their car can be collected, along with giving them the option to pay before they arrive for a smoother collection process. It's as simple as that. Manage your service operations more easily, say goodbye to switching between systems and reduce interruptions by streamlining in-service communications with the Service Board by Web One-on-One. Speak with one of our customer success managers and join other dealerships managing their workshops with the Service Board today.